There are two models of Futura sewing and embroidery machines, the CE150 and the CE250. These machines are capable of doing regular sewing as well as embroidery. The Futura is an electronic sewing machine capable of sewing all kinds of projects like fashion, home dec, quilts, and crafts. However, you can attach the embroidery unit and connect to your computer, which transforms Futura into an embroidery machine. Because the consumer uses their own computer, the cost of the machine is considerably less than standalone embroidery machines, which have the computer part built in. In essence, the Futura is an application to the computer. It's like a printer that sews. There are 120 embroidery designs and 5 lettering styles built in. However, you can download designs from the internet or purchase additional design collections, giving you access to thousands more embroidery possibilities. To download an internet design, first locate the design, then save it in a designated folder on your hard drive. Open the Futura software program, then locate the folder, then click on the design. It will appear on the screen, ready to sew. You can size or rotate the designs too. Let's look first at some features that the CE150 and CE250 have in common. The machines each have 3 Stay Bright LED lights offering light on each side of the needle as well as over the surface to the right of the needle. An automatic needle threader makes it quick and easy to get your thread through the needle's eye. Automatic tension means that you can just leave your tension control set here for nearly all your sewing, whether it is on light, medium, or heavyweight fabric. Besides the standard horizontal spool holder, the machine also has a vertical spool holder at the back of the machine, great for working with cone-style threads and some larger spools. The extension table holds the machine's accessories. Remove the extension table to access the free arm, great for sewing hard-to-reach areas. The drop feed feature can be used for free motion sewing. The feed dogs are lowered automatically when the embroidery unit is attached, and re-engaged automatically when removing the embroidery unit. The programmable needle up-down, when activated, will cause the needle to always stop in the down position. This is great for appliques, quilting, or pivoting fabric. Both machines have the exclusive buttonhole underplate. It ensures perfect buttonholes on multiple layers of fabric because the fabric is placed between the underplate and the foot. There are some basic differences between the CE150 and the CE250 in both the sewing mode and in the embroidery mode. Let's start with the sewing mode. When using the CE150 in regular sewing mode, there are 24 stitches, including 2 sizes of fully automatic one-step bar tack buttonholes. Stitch patterns are chosen by pressing a button on the face of the machine. The CE250, at a glance, appears to have less stitch patterns than the CE150, since only the frequently used stitches have a button right on the front of the machine. But the CE250 actually has 100 stitches, which can be viewed by pulling out the tab. It also has 7 styles of fully automatic one-step buttonholes, including bar tack, keyhole, round end, and manual styles. Press the button until the number of the stitch you want appears in the LCD window, then sew. On the embroidery side, both the CE150 and CE250 come with the USB cable, 2 hoops, the embroidery foot, and the basic Futura software program. The CE250, however, includes Auto Punch software. Auto Punch allows you to convert clip art into embroidery designs. Auto Punch is available as an optional purchase for the CE150. There are still more software programs available as optional purchases for both the CE150 and CE250. Auto Cross Stitch for automatically converting clip art into cross-stitch designs, Photo Stitch for automatically converting photos into embroidery designs, Hyperfont to automatically convert your computer's TrueType fonts into embroidered monograms. And while the software already includes basic editing tools, the editing program adds in-depth design capabilities to all software programs. There is a tutorial CD available as an optional purchase, which offers several hours of instruction on the main software and options. It contains a 122-page printable workbook and 2 projects as well.